Okay, guess what? You are already over the middle of the week since we have a 4-day week. So it is Wednesday, and now we are going to be doing some ELA. So I want to make sure in your textbook you go to a simple act. All right? You are going to read a simple act all the way through. It's not a very long one, but if you've ever seen the movie, oh, what's the movie called? I forgot what the movie was called. But they made a movie out of this. Hold on, let me pause it and look up the movie. Hold on. The movie is actually called The Blind Side. Okay, I don't know if you've seen that, but this kind of tells the story of it. So, this is a simple act. You're going to read it. It's written by a news blogger, and you're going to read it. You're going to read about the author. And after you are done, whoops, you are going to go over here. Move myself over here. To whoops, comprehension check. Okay, in your book, you have a comprehension check. You're going to answer all the questions. You're going to do it in a document. Unless I might be able to have it so you can come online and do this. But if I cannot figure out how to do that, then just do it on a document and send it in. That's all you got to do. Read it, answer these questions, and that should be enough ELA for today. For math, whoops, let me move myself. You're going to do two-step equations with decimals and fractions, two-step equation word problems, and then quiz 2. And that is it. Do that and stop there. Then you are going to do page 43 of the science, Earth's surface changes over time. And you're going to do that all the way down to this question here. On 48, you're going to answer this question in a document and send it to me. In social studies, you're going to get your An American Nation textbook. You're going to turn to page 28 and read 28 through 35. Early Peoples and Cultures. The review questions are at the end of the chapter, and you're going to answer them and send them to me in a document. All right? So that is all of your work for today. Make sure you go to the classwork tab to find all of your assignments and go from there. Have a great day, guys. I will talk to you later.